इवन स्टाफ से पूछेगा आप कहाँ पढ़ाते हैं, कि मैं ब्लाइंड स्कूल में पढ़ाता हूँ। बच्चे कहते हैं मैं ब्लाइंड स्कूल में काम करता हूँ। स्कूल कैसे ब्लाइंड हो सकता है?
जी सर।
आपने वो असाइनमेंट पूरा कर लिया जो आपको मैंने लिखा था गूगल क्लासरूम पर? लेट मी पोस्ट इट हियर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, एक सेकंड ठहरिए,
Yes, sir.
1 मिनट दीजिए मुझे। I am sending a question in chat box. Write its answer the way I have asked you to. Read the question and then write either roll number and then Y or roll number and N. Do it fast. You should not take more than 5 minutes, or sorry, 5 seconds. You just need to type your roll number or either N or Y. I'm concerned about the time. If you take a lot of time in writing small things, we waste our time. Let me open the. It was on page number 49, I believe, or which page was it?
45.
45.
The 45.
45. Okay, 45. Correct. It's all right. Several of you have written S and many of you have written Y also. Let me start with Umar Mustafa. Are you around, Umar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many? Okay, how many transactions that you analyzed and then you matched with the answers were incorrect or all were correct? Umar,
Yes, sir.
my question is that you were expected to complete
Yes,
the
sir.
11 remaining transactions. Then you were expected
Yes,
to
sir.
match those with the answers given on next page. So did you
Yes,
check
sir.
your answers or you did not?
No, sir.
You were expected to check the answers. Now you check
Yes.
the answers quickly and let me know how many are correct and how many are incorrect.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just type it in the chat box. Okay, how many of your answers were correct and how many were incorrect, and type it in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
As usual, roll number and your answer.
Okay,
Now, Kratika,
Yes,
are
sir.
you on, Kratika?
Yes, sir.
You have completed the assignment that was posted on the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Did you check with your answers?
Yes, sir.
How many were incorrect?
Sir, I checked actually 2 or 3, and then I
It
did not
cannot
check
be.
because.
So listen. It cannot be 2 or it cannot be 3. It has to be only one, either 2 or 3. You
Sir,
can
I
count
checked 2
now.
actually. I
Sorry.
checked 2 actually, and then I didn't check because actually I did it around 12 o'clock, so I fell to sleep. So after completion, I slept.
Okay. Fine. Sabiha Aqil. Are you around, Sabiha?
Yes, sir.
Switch on your camera.
1 second, sir.
Did you check your answers?
Sir, I didn't check my answer because I thought we will be discussing it in class.
No, it was supposed to be discussed in the class only. The
Yeah.
areas where you have some problem. See, I
Oh,
can
okay.
discuss the entire thing again and again, but
Yes,
there's
sir.
no point. You will be, several people are leaving the class because I'm asking questions.
Okay.
Okay,
No, sir,
okay,
I didn't find any difficulty. Alhamdulillah. I was able to complete it.
okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. We proceed to the next lesson. Let me know those of you who have checked it and they found their answers one or two or maybe more not correct. Do they wish to seek a clarification? Any one of you? Let me know what.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Is there anyone who can shed more light on what Adil has said? Anyone who is willing to?
Sir,
Uh,
I'm having problem with the September 23rd
wait, Deepa.
transaction.
Just hold on, Deepa. First, let us complete the doubt that Adil has raised.
Okay, sir.
Is there anyone who is prepared to answer the query
Sure.
that Adil has in mind?
Actually, I mentioned it as an asset under the prepaid rent head. And as far as my understanding goes, we are considering it as an asset because we have paid the rent even before due date. So now we have to just avail the services. So that is why I think we are considering it as an asset. Whereas in case of expense, we are paying it after availing.
Okay, good. Under what condition would it have been recorded as expense?
So I think when we would have availed the services and then paid the rent on the due date.
When we pay the rent on due date, it is recorded as expense.
Yes, sir.
When it is paid in advance, you are recording it not as an expense but as an asset.
Yes, sir.
Is it right? So you
Yes,
are
sir.
not. So what is being debited? Advance rent, not rent. One more question. Now, especially from those who are from commerce discipline, you have recorded it on September 4th. Advance rent you have debited and bank you have credited. Suppose this rent is due after 1 month or 2 months. What entry will be, which account will be debited, which account will be credited?
So, can you repeat the question again?
The question is, after 2 months, when this rent is paid, we have already paid it, isn't it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. After 2 months, what entry will be passed?
So rent account debit to prepaid rent account.
Type this entry in the chat box with your roll number and then type this entry. Roll number followed by the correct whatever entry you have said. Yes. Rent due debit to cash account. Okay. This unfortunately is not correct. Just one second. How I am asking you to type? You are typing the way you want to type, but please listen to me. I asked you to. For example, Hassan Arif, you have written 138. Now it is correct. I'm sorry. I didn't look at it. 138 and then your answer 261 and then your answer. Hold on, let me check. Rent account debit to prepaid rent account. This is correct. Correct. Rent account debit to prepaid rent account. Now, Uruj Fatima, you wrote rent account debit to outstanding rent account. Rent was not outstanding, rent was paid in advance. See, now for everyone who are from commerce or from other discipline, you paid rent in advance. When rent was paid in advance, so the account you debited was advance rent or prepaid rent, advance rent or prepaid rent. When it is due, then actual rent will be debited. What will you credit? You cannot credit cash like Aziz has written. Why? Because you have already paid. If you write cash credit once again, that means you will debit cash twice for the same amount. Aziz, is this clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Because you have already paid. So what you are doing, you will credit the account which was debited earlier. Okay, here one more question. You all listen to the question carefully and type your answer in the chat box. The question is, let me write also, I'm typing it, which accounting convention has guided you here? In which accounting convention has guided you in making this entry like this? I have just typed the question and you write your answers in the same format. Your roll number followed by your correct answer. One has written duality. Okay, carry on. Like this you write. Kushagri has written periodicity. Kushagra, I'm sorry. Then periodicity, duality, revenue recognition, duality, periodicity, revenue recognition, periodicity, duality. Whatever you feel, you should write so that if there is something wrong, I can clarify. Has everybody written or still somebody is left out? The people who have not attended these classes, it will be difficult for them. But I have already conveyed to you, as soon as the students of MHA are admitted, I'll arrange remedial or additional classes for those who joined late. Naturally, it is not your fault that you are joining late. You are joining because the university did not offer you. And we also could not wait till everybody joins. So once these students join MHA, along with those, some 4 or 5, whatever number of classes you feel comfortable will be taken, so that you also reach the same stage where others are. So naturally, they will not be able to answer because those who are not from commerce, they might not have heard these words earlier. What is duality and what is periodicity, etc., etc. Okay, I have seen your answers. Is there any way who wishes to change the answer if I am saying that 99? Okay, only I was browsing through when you were writing the answers, and I saw just one, perhaps just one answer as correct. Only one. So do you wish to revise your answers, or you want more time to refresh your memory and then get back to me? What do you want? I am giving you 2-3 options. You want more time to refresh your memory and then come back with an answer? You want to revise your answer immediately, or you want me to tell you the correct answer?
Please elaborate the correct answer.
Elaborate on?
Correct answer.
Oh, correct answer. You want spoon feeding. See, for me, providing correct. Oh, okay, somebody has written. Please tell them. See, telling you the correct answer is a matter of second, isn't it? I mean, this way perhaps I believe should you try on your own. I have already told that only one of the answers is correct. Don't go by this KBC Janta's choice. क्या कहते हैं जनता वोट क्या कहलाता है वो
Audience poll.
ऑडियंस पोल पे जाएंगे तो you will go for duality or you will go for I am still holding back to the correct answer. So please look at it, but I am telling you that one or two answers are correct. Okay, so I'll come back to you after some time. Why very less number of students have joined, not more than 64, 62 perhaps. Okay, let me know anything that we had discussed yesterday you wish, any details on that or anything which is not clear I can repeat, otherwise I'll take the next step.
So you ended the class with a question. Accountant has credited salaries. Accountant debited bank account.
Yes.
And you asked us to think about in which case this entry shall be passed. What will be the transaction for which this entry has been passed?
Okay. I'll explain to you now. See, salaries are expenses and these are debited, isn't it? If you wish to go by kinds of accounts, salaries, expenses, therefore they will be debited. But accountant has credited. So there are a few possibilities that I'll discuss with you. One of the possibility is that the salaries were paid wrongly. Salaries were wrongly recorded and accountant has rectified the entry. One. Second possibility, that salaries were paid in excess to several employees. I'm not saying one, there's a difference between the two. Salaries were paid in excess to several employees and deductions have been made. Therefore, salaries have been credited and bank has been debited. The money must have been collected from their accounts. Why I emphasized several accounts? Because had it been a single person, his personal account would have been debited and salaries would have been credited, and then money would have been taken from his account. So when this entry is being passed, salaries account credited and bank account debited, in the narration part or in the third line which we write for explaining why this transaction is being passed, we explain. And then in case of salaries wrongly transferred to several accounts, what we will write in the third line? Salaries recovered as per annexure. Now suppose this total is 1 lakh. So you will take out an annexure. In annexure there will be different names and against each name some amount would be mentioned. A 10,000 rupees, B 15,000 rupees, C 5,000 rupees, D 3,000 rupees, etc. Total would be the same. And another possibility is B, that it is an error on the part of accountant. उससे गलती हो गई, ये नहीं हो सकता कि अब गलत हो गया तो अब जब कभी आगे चल के एरर डिटेक्ट की जाएगी तो वो उसको उसमें करेक्शन कर दिया जाएगा. Any other question up to this stage?
Sir,
Yes.
so in transaction 25th, why paid wages came under capital, not under liability?
Achha, paid wages, okay. Why paid wages is treated as
Capital.
or not
Not as
liability?
liability.
All right. Recall when we were discussing accounting as a language, I should have explained to you the meaning of liability. What is the meaning of liability? What is the meaning of liability?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Anyway, for the time being, I'll explain to you. But for future, just try. I mean, I'm not insisting, but it is better if we can, refresh or clarify our concepts the day it is discussed, because these are all dependent on each other. If we are not clear about earlier classes, the next class will be difficult to follow, and next to next will be even more difficult. So because we have already learned the meaning of liability, had that been clear, this question would not, no issues, I am explaining. Liability is something which is payable, which we have to pay, which our company has to pay at a later date. Now the meaning of liabilities are clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me some examples.
Interest on debt.
What interest? Just 1 second, let me just close. मैं क्लास में बाद में कॉल बैक करता हूँ. No, interest itself is not a complete transaction. ऐसे कहिए interest paid, interest received, ऐसे करके कुछ कहेंगे तब ना ट्रांजेक्शन होगा.
Interest paid, sir.
अगर पेड है तो लाइबिलिटी कहाँ से हो गई? लाइबिलिटी तो जब होगी जब आपको पे करना बाकी हो. अगर हम ये करें इंटरेस्ट पेबल, तब लाइबिलिटी.
ओके ओके ओके.
बैंक लोन आपका लाइबिलिटी होगा. आपने किसी से उधार लिया सामान, उसको पैसे वापस करना इज ए लाइबिलिटी, समथिंग विच इज पेबल. नाउ आंसरिंग योर स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, सैलरीज कौन सा 25 हुआ ना, सैलरीज पेड वेजेस. तो वेजेस आपने पे कर दी तो पेबल तो रही नहीं. अगर ये होता वेजेस पेबल, अगर क्या होता वेजेस पेबल, तब तो लाइबिलिटी होती. जब आपने पे कर दिया, इट इज नो मोर ए लाइबिलिटी. वेजेस कब लाइबिलिटी होंगी आपके कोई बता सकता? अंडर व्हाट कंडीशंस वेजेस विल बी योर लाइबिलिटी? यस, वेरी ट्रू. व्हेन द लेट अस अज्यूम कि हम 30th को एंड ऑफ मंथ में सैलरी पे करते हैं या वेजेस पे करते हैं. इट इज 2nd of the next month or 3rd of the next month and wages have not been paid. But the moment employee has earned, we will record it. कब रिकॉर्ड करेंगे इसको? On which date? End of month. अगर हमारा एग्रीमेंट एंड ऑफ मंथ है. If our agreement is to pay every week and every weekend wages, if paid will be considered as an expenses, if not paid will be considered as
liabilities.
Liability. What entry shall be passed?
के नाम से आएगा सर.
जी,
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल.
जी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल कब आपका ड्यू होता?
We have net.
The moment you receive bill from electricity company, it is due. So you have received bill and you have not paid. You will pay after 2 days, 3 days, 10 days, 15 days. The moment you have received bill, record it as electricity expenses payable. What entry shall we pass if the bill has been received but not paid?
Liability.
So it will be a liability.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल पे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंट्री, उसकी डेबिट क्या करेंगे, क्रेडिट क्या करेंगे, ये बताइए.
कैपिटल.
कैपिटल का स्पेसिफिक टाइटल बताइए. कैपिटल
सर कैपिटल डिक्रीज एक्सपेंस में आएगा.
जी
सर एक्सपेंस में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
एक्सपेंसेस में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ठीक है. तो
कैपिटल डिक्रीजेस देन डेबिटेड.
और क्रेडिट में क्या करेंगे? पहले इसी ट्रांजैक्शन को कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस हम डेबिट करेंगे और क्रेडिट क्या करेंगे?
सर बैंक बैलेंस.
बैंक
सर एसेट्स विल बी डिक्रीज.
एसेट
डिक्रीज होंगे तो डिक्रीज इन एसेट्स विल बी
क्या डिक्रीज हो रहा? तो ये तो कर नहीं रहे आप अभी.
सर कैश एंड बैलेंस कम होगा ना हमारा.
नहीं, आर यू पेइंग?
सर फिर सर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
सर लायबिलिटी होगी ना,
लायबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी. यस, लायबिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी. एंड व्हाट विल बी दैट लायबिलिटी?
बिल पेबल.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस पेबल.
यस सर.
तो अगर आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल रिसीव हुआ बट यू हैव नॉट पेड, तो व्हाट एंट्री विल यू मेक? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस डेबिट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस पेबल.
टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पेबल.
और जब पे करेंगे इसको, देन वी विल मेक अनदर एंट्री. इन दैट केस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस पेबल को हम डेबिट कर देंगे और बैंक को क्रेडिट.
कैश या बैंक.
कैश या बैंक को, यू आर राइट, कैश या बैंक को क्रेडिट. You have recorded an entry that electricity expenses debit, electricity expenses payable credit. किसी कन्वेंशन को सामने रखते हुए आपने ये इन्वेंट्री की है या वैसे ही कर दी? ये सोचिए कौन से कन्वेंशन. जी
The revenue recognition will be the convention over
Revenue
here, no?
recognition, correct.
Yes.
Revenue recognition, correct. अगर कोई आपसे ये पूछे,
Sir,
why did you record it when you have not paid? Specific question करें.
sir,
Why it has
accrual.
been recorded when it has not been paid? Which system of accounting are you following?
Sir, accrual basis.
So accrual.
Yes,
Accrual basis.
Basis, yes, sir.
Accrual.
basis. Right. Any other question?
Sir, like you said that salary, like salary जो है तब तक paid, जैसे salary paid हो गई है तो तब तक वो revenue generation में company के तभी आएंगे ना जब हमारे पास जो बैंक स्टेटमेंट है कि आपका टैक्स इतना कटा है तभी वो
देखिए टैक्स वैक्स से बिल्कुल दूसरी चीजें हैं. आप स्पेसिफिक सवाल बताइए. व्हाट इज द स्पेसिफिक
मैं
क्वेश्चन?
ये पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि कंपनी में सैलरी एक्सपेंस की तरह तभी रिकॉर्ड होगी ना जब वो ट्रांसफर कर देगी, जैसे आपने ये बोला था.
not at all. Company will record the salaries and expenses the moment it is due. The moment it is due, it will record salaries and expenses irrespective of payment made or not. When it pays, it will record another entry. It will make another entry. Is the logic clear? Why do we so? Because we are following accrual system of accounting. We do not wait for the actual money to be received or actual money to be paid. So the moment salaries are due, अब due कब होंगी? That your agreement with the employees will tell you.
Sir, I was unable to complete this. Say 29 September.
Okay, 29.
Yes, sir. 23rd and 29th.
Let me see what it is. Received part payment from customer billed on September 23. So before you analyze this transaction, let me know what did you do on September 23rd. What was the transaction on September 23rd? Billed customer for work done other than on cash terms 13,100. You have done some work for the customer and you have sent him a bill for rupees 13,100. This is the transaction. What entry you would have made on 23rd September? Customer you would have debited because customer is your debtor, and sales you would have credited because in services it is your revenue. You have done some work for the customer, he has not paid, but because you have completed your work according to revenue recognition, you will recognize it as your revenue. Therefore, you would have debited customer and you would have credited your sales revenue or any other specific title, but credit should be sales revenue or income, and debit will be customer. Now this customer is paying you 4,800 rupees. So what is happening? Your bank balance is increasing. You are receiving cash or check, or you are receiving cash. Check has not been mentioned. Received part payment from customer. So you are receiving cash. So if you are receiving cash, cash is an asset. Increase in asset will be debited. So cash you will debit. Whom will you credit?
Customer.
Customer will be credited. Why will customer be credited? Because earlier you treated customer as an asset. This asset is decreasing. Therefore, you will credit the customer. So this is how. Yes,
Of 23rd September.
Sorry.
Sir, explain the transaction of September 23 again, sir.
Okay, sure. Somebody has provided you. You are providing services to somebody, and once you have provided services on to somebody, you have sent a bill for rupees 13,100. What is this for you? In terms of this transaction, there are two elements. What are those elements? Asset, capital, liability. What are those two?
So one is revenue, sir.
One is revenue. Okay. The other is?
Sir, other is from debt, right?
Debtor.
Yes, sir.
Suppose the revenue was paid to you then and there. तो revenue credit करते, cash को debit करते. यही करते ना?
Yes, sir.
Cash asset increasing इसलिए debit करते. अब now your cash asset is not increasing. What asset is increasing? Your asset in the form of debtor. उस asset को increase कर देंगे. So revenue
Okay, sir.
will be credited and asset in the form of debtor, and name of that person, whatever is the name, if there is given, that name will be debited. Then we will enter the transaction, record the transaction of 29th September, the way I have explained to you now. Those of you who have joined late and have not answered the question that I asked you, because in those questions your attendance would be recorded. Whatever you have typed, it will convey that you were present. If somebody has not answered that question, at least type your roll number so that your attendance can be marked.
So like on September 30, paid the dividend of rupees 2,500. So the dividend will be considered as an expense. So it will be
Yes, it will be considered as an expense. Which date you are referring to?
30th.
Last. Okay. Dividend will be considered as an expense, and cash or bank will be considered as an asset and decreased.
Decrease.
So dividend will be debited, cash or bank will be credited.
Credited.
Okay. Any other question if you have, or shall we proceed if you don't have any question? I'll be posting my... Yes.
Sir, I have a question from the conventions actually, from the accrual and revenue recognition case. Suppose, sir, like in this case of CAD, we are going for accrual. But sir, what happened if the customer returned the consignment?
No problem. Just pass an entry for returning the consignment. Suppose on day 1, you sold goods on credit. So customer was debited, sales was credited. Agreed? On day 3rd, he has returned part of the goods or total goods, doesn't matter. Only amount will change. So you make a reverse entry. Sales returned will be debited and customer will be credited. Suppose he has returned, you sold goods for 100, he has returned the entire goods. So when he has returned the entire goods, he will no more remain your debtor. So your asset in the form of debtor will decrease, and your, instead of sales, you write sales returned. So sales return will be debited, customer will be credited.
Okay, sir. And sir, one more thing, sir, during online transaction, in most of the transaction, we get the bill later and we have to pay first. So pay first and then bill get like invoice get raised.
Invoice is generated later, correct? Then what is the question?
So like in what convention will be used here? Like it will be a part of accrual or revenue recognition?
Nothing will apply here, because the transaction is taking place and you're recording the transaction on real-time basis.
Okay, sir.
Any further question or?
Sir, Kritika.
Sure.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I had explained to you how to record those transactions in journal. I also expected you to complete the remaining transactions. Okay. Aram, you told us to remind that you wanted to share something in the class. Okay. It was about, it stemmed out of the fact that some of you wanted extension in the submission of your assignment Google Classroom time. Some of you had some issue or the other. So I recalled one of the events and I thought I'll share with you. It is as old as about 88 को कितना वक्त हो गया? 12 और 20, about 30, more than 3 decades old. So we were attending a course at IIM Ahmedabad. It was known as Faculty Development Program. It was about a year's course. So in 88, 89, I attended that course. So we had a class. It was heavily raining, which you people normally call raining cats and dogs. Heavily raining. Somehow it was not possible to reach the classroom from our hostels. We were about 7, 8, all teachers from different universities, maybe 10, 12, I don't remember. 10, 12 teachers from different universities. I was one of them. So we somehow could not reach the class. So next day when we reached the class, the same professor had to engage our class. He didn't tell anything. He only told just one sentence. By missing the class yesterday, you people have created a history. So we could not understand what he meant by that. So he repeated, you people have created history. Never in my life, or maybe IM's life perhaps, somebody staying in the campus would have missed the class. Luckily, maybe you can call it fortunately or unfortunately, the teacher had some association with our university. He was an alumnus of this university. He did his MA in psychology. His name, you may be perhaps looking at his book, Professor Mirza Sayyidain. He has authored a book in HR area, HR OB area. Sayyidain and Munappa. Yes, Munappa and Sayyidain. There's a book in HR, personnel management, that he is the author of that book. So he told us that this is what has happened. And we unfortunately witnessed one more event there, that during our stay, a plane coming from Bangalore to Ahmedabad, it was crashed somewhere near Ahmedabad airport. The 5 people belonging to IIM Ahmedabad died in that plane crash. One of them was their celebrated professor, Labdi Bhandari. So naturally this news, went like a wildfire. Everybody was worried. So we thought that today no more classes. This is what our thinking was, as usual. So an announcement was made. In those days, there was nothing like WhatsApp or text and all. Some procedure of announcement was there, and we reached their assembly hall, or an open place. It was something like Louis Kahn Plaza. Somewhere all the students and teachers, they assembled there. Director addressed all of us, conveyed this bad news. Okay, these were the people and all. Some prayers were conducted. Somebody read part of Quran, somebody read Gita, somebody, maybe about 15-20 minutes, not more than that. Announcements were made and something was told about all 5 of them, one by one or 2 sentences. And the last sentence was, now you can go back and resume your normal work. So classes started, offices started. Can you believe a situation where 5 people from the same institute died in a crash? It was nothing like cancelling. Here, with our institutions, not AMU, but the entire country as a whole, at the drop of hat, they can close the class. Those of you from Aligarh, you would have seen Baba Sayyed closed for several days. How many of you have seen Baba Sayyed being closed on a small pretext? Many of you must have. Oh, yes, you are present. Good. Has it been closed any time demanding that the classes are not conducted in time?
Sir, I have seen
No,
it
sir.
closed
No,
for
sir.
48 days.
Has it ever been closed on the demand? The teacher comes late in time, he wastes his time, he talks about film stories, he talks about everything except subject.
No, sir.
No, sir.
He will come to the class, we'll talk about weather, we'll talk about how do you do, what is your father, which film do you see, and he will spend 15-20 minutes, another 10 minutes in calling attendance, and then he will disappear 10 minutes before the class time stops. Has it been ever closed, complaining all these things?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, university is closed for 48 days for just making student union.
स्टूडेंट यूनियन, और फिर
Sir,
स्टूडेंट
and I-
यूनियन ठीक गुड, फिर स्टूडेंट यूनियन बनने के बाद क्या हुआ?
सर कुछ नहीं हुआ और लड़ाई होने लगी।
कुछ नहीं हुआ।
I have been associated with your university in almost all capacities, including officiating vice chancellor, registrar, controller, you name a post and I would have occupied. I was a student also of this university. In academic council, we used to spend hours and hours. You imagine 150 people, supposedly, I am using the word supposedly, underline, the best brain of the country, assuming, I'm not saying reality. What they are debating? Should we have 75% or 60%? How much concession should be given to those who came late, who were not able to put up 50% attendance? Should we give 49%? Should we give it 10%? So we have been debating. No discussion on that. I mean, let us talk about those who came in time. Let us pay more attention to those who came timely, who attended classes timely, no discussion on that. Never, perhaps, never. But discussion only on what kind of concession, how much concession, how should we arrive at that concession to be granted to those who joined the university late. So if our priorities are clear, our priorities are that you know it so well that what people will do, but still you choose anyway. We have perhaps wasted another 2, 3, 4 minutes on that. Come back to the question that you want me to, reply to. I am yet to see any student, forget about a student, any human being who is willing to accept 900 grams and paying for 1 kg. You want to buy 1 kg apples? Know it very well that he is giving you 900 and you willingly accept it. Okay, nothing, it doesn't matter. Even if he is giving less than 100 gram, 200 gram, I don't mind. Let me pay for 1000 grams and accept 900, 800, 750. Is there anyone of you in the class who is gladly willing to accept this deal?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one.
Sir, only in one case.
Where?
सर वेयर द सर जो बेचने वाला है वो बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ में है या जरूरतमंद है तब।
अच्छा, अगर वो जरूरतमंद है, चलिए आपकी सोच बहुत अच्छी है, तो आप उसको कुछ अलग से पैसे दे दीजिए, बट एज ए ट्रांजैक्शन परहैप्स, चलिए ये एक्सेप्शन है कि आपके कंसीडरेशंस ये हैं। द पॉइंट आई एम ड्राइंग योर अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स इज, यहाँ पर जो जिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो कौन है बेचने वाला? बेचने वाला तो मैं हूं ना, खरीदने वाले आप हैं। Who are sellers in this case? Your teachers, and you are buyer, isn't it? So do you think that we fall in that category? We are helpless and poor chap, are not getting fully paid, we are not drawing good salary, university is not paying us in time, and ऐसा कुछ कभी होता? And still you are jolly well prepared to, if I make an announcement tomorrow there will be no class, everybody will be happy.
Sir, in cases everybody is needy actually.
तो हर आदमी से फिर आप ले लेते हैं कम? कभी आपने कितनी बार, जरा बताइए प्रैक्टिकली, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट, लेट मी टेल मी प्रैक्टिकली एंड ऑनेस्टली।
सर मुझे कोई मिला ही नहीं ऐसा।
आउट ऑफ 100 ट्रांजैक्शंस, कितने ट्रांजैक्शंस में आपने 10%, 20% कम लिया होगा ग्लैडली?
सर आई डोंट टेक लेस, आई पे मोर, आई बिलीव इन पेइंग।
तो बात तो वहीं आ गई ना।
जी सर।
वी आर anyway, come back to again, I think it's maybe falling on the deaf ear of people. I'm not referring to you, I'm referring to my community. चलिए सवाल कीजिए क्या है, फिर उसके बाद फिर मैं आगे आपको बताता हूँ। We had completed one part of a recording business transaction, that is journal. Before I explain to you more, about next step, ask me a question if you have, otherwise I'll explain to you the next step. Next step was, after recording, the second definition or second part of definition is classification. Classification, or you call it as, what is the other name of that? Ledger, isn't it? The other name is
ledger.
We write it as a ledger, but we pronounce it as ledger.
Ledger.
Ledger. What do you do in ledger? Every transaction, every head of account is written on a specific page. We open a specific page or a specific chapter or a specific book for transaction of similar nature. All cash we shall record in one book or one page or several pages, each meant for cash. All transactions of salaries on one page, all transactions of electricity on one page, all transactions. So when we do so, we call each separate account as ledger. How do we classify as ledger? This is important, you must listen, or maybe you can note it down. If a transaction appears in debit, it will be recorded in debit side of ledger. And if a transaction is appearing on credit side of entry, it will be recorded in credit side. It's usual. If cash account is in debit, so in ledger you will write in debit side. If cash account is in credit in journal, you will write in credit side of ledger, but with the condition that heads of account will interchange. Note it again, heads of account will interchange. Suppose the entry is cash account debit to bank account. Cash account debit to bank. So cash is given in debit side. You will record in debit side, but what will you write? Opposite of cash, that is bank. You will write bank. Suppose the entry is cash account debit to capital account. So you will write in debit side capital account. And suppose the entry is purchases debit to cash. So cash is in credit. In credit side, you will write purchases. So what we are doing, we are interchanging the heads of account. Now something that appears on your screen right now is an illustration of ledger of cash account. Ledger of cash account. You will be in a position to understand it only if you keep in front of you the copy of journal that we discussed in the previous class. I'll get back to the slide. Just give you a reference. This slide, this one, you see cash is in debit side. So when you prepare cash book, you will write in debit side to capital account. Now in second entry, cash appears in credit side. So in credit side, you will write by bank account. In third entry, again cash appears in credit side. So you will write by purchases account. In fourth entry, cash appears in credit side. So you will write by furniture account. In fifth entry, cash appears in debit side. In debit side, what will you write? What is the opposite of cash?
Sales.
Sales. In debit side, you will write sales. What figure will you write?
10,000.
10,000.
50 is for sales. So you will write the figure which is given in front of cash.
Yes.
In debit side, you will write to sales 10,000. So the book that you see on this page, it is, I have titled it as cash book with cash column only, or ledger of cash account. So I have transferred all the entries of those 10 transactions which we did a few days ago. But you try to do it on your own and match it the way I have done it. First step is that you complete all the transactions. Second step is transfer them to ledger, like I have completed one for you. If you are able to successfully transfer, yours will match with the ones that you appear here. In case it matches, there is no problem. In case it does not, then you can seek clarification from me. See, after another 10-12 transactions, if you say okay, this is not clear, naturally it will not be clear because you have not practiced it on day-to-day basis. If something is completed today, make sure that you master it today itself or before the next class. Each day I start asking you, do you have any problem in what was discussed a day before? So right now still you have time. We are on the 9th session. We have another, is it 9th? No, 10th session. We still have another 40 or 35 sessions to go. You may master it till we reach the last class, otherwise it will be difficult. So you complete the general part of the transactions which I explained. I have given you only, I have illustrated only 5. See, rest of it is purely mechanical. You have already understood which account is to be debited, which account is to be credited. All that you need to do is to write in the proper format. Once your format is complete, then only you can transfer them to ledger. Like one ledger is, yes.
So this is the last entry on the credit side is balance CD.
I'll explain. Good that you have asked. When we complete all the transactions, suppose we had 10 transactions. In those 10 transactions, cash appeared several times. All several times have been recorded in debit side and credit side respectively. Once we record all of them in debit and credit side respectively, on rough page, we total. If you rough total on rough page, you will notice that debit side was equal to 1,15,000 and credit side was equal to 1,05,000. Look at the credit transactions and quickly add them. 20 plus 30, 50, then 10, 60, then 80, then 90, 95, 100, 5, 105, up to second last transaction bank 105. So credit side was 105, debit side was 115. So what is the difference? 10,000. So that 10,000 we have written balance carried down. Balance CD means balance carried down. Now,
So then in this case, even if we make an error, then तब तो हम ऐसे rectify कर देंगे.
we will come to that. We will come to that. A stage after we reach the third one. Now, quickly tell me, is this a debit balance or a credit balance?
Sir, debit balance.
The balance that appears, okay. Before we close the class, type your roll number and immediately write debit or credit, whichever balance you feel. If it is debit balance, you write 101 debit, or whichever balance you feel, write your roll number and debit or credit. Don't follow the suit, write whichever way you feel is correct. Arusa, what is your roll number?
Sir, my roll number hasn't been allotted yet.
No, it has been allotted. I have got the list. I will inform you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It is perhaps the same, 2 roll numbers have been allotted. So I think I have just noted it also in my records. Let me check. But anyway, I'll. It is 105.
Yes, sir. It was before also 105, but it was clashing.
I have received a list from the department yesterday, in which your roll number is, you are 105. It is perhaps, I don't know, somewhere mistake. 2 roll numbers cannot be allotted. One roll number cannot be allotted to 2 different persons. But anyhow, so this part of yours which you have written in the end, these roll numbers I will be counting for your attendance. We can leave the class. This last part of your last, roll number that you have written, I'll count it in as your attendance. You can leave the class now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.